Morning everyone. I just woke up. It's about 9 a.m. and I forgot to film while I was making my breakfast, but this is my breakfast. Peanut butter toast with bananas on top. It's a little messy, but yeah. And this is a cappuccino in my BTS mug. So yeah. Hello. Please excuse my pajama pants in the back. I just got back from the grocery store and I thought it would be fun, maybe not, to do a little haul of what I bought. Since this is a what I eat in a day as a vegan, I thought it would be maybe interesting to see what a vegan living in Korea buys at the grocery store. So first thing I bought is a bunch of veggies. This is crown daisy, I think it's called in English. But I have no idea even in English what that is. It's called a sooo here in Korea. Then I bought, well, the start to show is probably this little, geez, great, I'm a great vlogger. This little vegan chicken nuggets. Why am I doing it like this? Better. So these are like vegan chicken nuggets. Veggie nugget, which is nugget, obviously. Mushrooms, because they're like my favorite thing to eat. One zucchini, obviously like wrapped in plastic because everything's wrapped in plastic here. I bought fresh noodles, udon. I bought, well, I was looking for a snack, but basically everything here in Korea has either like powdered milk, honey, caramel, which obviously do not make the product vegan. So I bought sooo, which is like rice cakes, but like sweet rice cakes. This is just normal dough, which is not even sweet, but I love them. And then I bought these, which are called salto. Yes, salto. And this is just rice cake, and inside there's like sweet red bean paste. They're amazing. They're freaking amazing. And then I bought cold pizza. This is pineapple flavor, and this is supposed to be like juice, right? I'm not sure because I've seen it in some videos and the color is like so light. I bought persimmons because, to be frank, they were the least expensive fruit there except for apples, which I'm not a huge fan of. So I bought persimmons, which are great. I love. And last but not least, I think it's called, last but not least, I bought biscoff, which are vegan. I also bought chives, butsu. Then I bought seasoned seaweed. This is amazing in rice. Like, I could just eat rice with seasoned seaweed and I would be okay. More mushrooms, because again, all that I eat. And then I bought, what's this called? Oh Jesus, it's pickled radish and burdock, which again, it's an English word, but I have no idea what that is. But I bought it because they use it here to make gimbap. And I really wanted to try it. And then last but not least, I bought rice. And by the way, I went all this way just to buy rice, like to the supermarket. That was my first the first item on my list, and I forgot to buy it, obviously. So I decided to buy it at the convenience store right underneath my apartment. Worst idea ever. Never do that. They just rip you off like crazy. Yeah, this bag of 1 kilogram of rice was like 7,000 won. So yeah, as always, great day. For lunch we're gonna make, yeah, great angle. For lunch we're gonna make gimbap, like I mentioned. So I'm gonna steam rice first and then prepare the ingredients. So the rest is done. I put it aside to cool down. In the meantime, we're gonna prep the mushrooms that are going inside the gimbap and the crown daisy, which I have no idea how I'm supposed to cook this, but I'll cook it the way I cook any other like green leaf vegetable. So let's see what comes out. from what I ate as a snack this afternoon. I basically ate those tok that I bought today at the grocery store, those like sweet tok, and yeah, they were really good. And I also ate a persimmon, so nothing too interesting, you know, but it's dinner time. And yesterday I made this pasta, which was just, and maybe it's just me missing pasta because I've been away from home for what, a month now. And yesterday was the first time I had eaten pasta in almost a month. So I'm an Italian gal, you know, me and my pasta, we're just like this, we're one thing. And yeah, so we're gonna make pasta basically tonight because I talk too much. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna boil water for the pasta, and because I have my pot occupied with the rice, I'm gonna have to cook my pasta in my pan, in my shallow pan. So that's great. Just drain the pasta and put it aside in a plate with a little bit of oil so that it doesn't stick. I only do this because I only have one burner. If you have more than one, I highly suggest cooking like your pasta and your condiment, your sauce at the same time. But anyway, now I am going to saute the mushrooms with a little bit of oil and a little bit of margarine. This was probably one of my best finds. I found margarine at my local store. Awesome. So I made a little sauce with soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and garlic. And now I'm gonna pour it on my mushrooms. They're about to burn, so yeah. Okay, we're ready for our pasta. A little bit more butter. Tiny bit more oil. More garlic. And saute all that together. Now we're ready for our pasta. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna add a little bit of bouillon sauce, which is fire sauce. It's a little savory. I'll make it a little spicy and a little more savory. Probably gonna add a tiny bit more soy sauce. I know it sounds like a weird combination, but I promise you it's so good. Like that, and everything's mixed together. It's ready. Okay, this is the final product. Look at those mushrooms. Look at that. And yeah, this turned out to be a lot of pasta. I'm used to measuring everything back home, so yeah. If I don't finish it, I guess I'll finish it tomorrow. And I have my leftover chive pancakes, which I've already taken a bite of. So yeah. Happy dinner.